Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes. I hope all the students are doing well for the preparation of SSLC board exam. Right? Very good children. Today we have come up with the very important topic regarding the class 10th study material. My dear students, today I am going to discuss the class 10th, that is SSLC Science Part B Chemistry. Very important questions for the academic year board exam, that is June 2020-2021. My dear students, I can tell you one thing, that this is very important material. Why? Because in this we are going to cover the previous year questions and also the most likely questions for this year board exam 2021. Before we could start this class, I am very thankful for these classes, that is IC classes, who have prepared this study material. Children, as we have found through different sites, as this is very important and very interesting material, so we are going to upload this material in our channel so that it should be benefited for all the class 10 students who are going to face this year board exam. It's our duty that we need to promote the good things. That is what we are going to upload this information in our channel, so definitely it makes a sense to score a very good marks. As per the department KSEB, as per theme based blueprint, for these chapters, that is units, acid, bases and salts, metals and non-metals, carbon and its compounds, periodic classification of elements, these are the number of chapters. Totally it carries 25 marks. As we can see, these are the number of chapters which comes under the chemistry, which carries 25 marks for this year board exam. In case if you are studying these complete chapters, definitely you can score 25 marks, and it is very easy and interesting. My dear students, still if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shasar Classes, do subscribe it and click the bell icon and share this video as much as possible with your all friends and your classmates. Now we are going to begin with acid, bases and salts. As you can see here, so these are the previous questions which has appeared in the SSLC board exam. Before I could start this class, I just like to tell one more important thing. Before this year, I mean till 2018, we were following one scheme, but after 2018, that is from 2019 onwards, our Karnataka State Board class 10th syllabus, it has got changed to NCERT, that is N-Cert Science. Now we all following the NCERT textbooks, so that from that year, that is 2019, the syllabus it has got changed. Now you are supposed to study 2019 onwards question papers to prepare for your academic year board exam. So see children, these are the questions which has appeared in the exam. I don't want to discuss right now here. So inshallah I will be making separate video on discussing the previous year questions, but today I just want to give you the question and even the solutions, and also to make sure that how will be the questions will be given in your academic year board exam. So these are the questions which has appeared in previous exam, that is annual paper and supplementary paper from this chapter. From 2020, these are the questions have appeared. Now children, we have given the information here as per the reduced syllabus only. The deleted part information, if any question also has been asked from the deleted portion, we have not given here. Okay, don't think only this much questions only have asked. No children, even the questions have asked from the deleted portion also, but here we have not considered that. Okay, so that you should not get any difficulty to refer the material. And this is last year board exam, these were the questions have asked, so that you can see how the questions can be asked in the exam. Now these are the most likely questions for 2021 for this year. Okay, these are the questions you can expect for this year. These are the expected question. I just want every student, each and every student have to go with these all questions. Please try to practice these questions, see the information, see the concept and prepare according to that. Please do not stop watching this video till the last. I just want you all have to watch this video till the last, and then you can start preparing, because I just want to give you the technique how you need to study these all materials. Just I am scrolling down. As you can see, children, please try to share this video as much as possible with your all friends. and your classmates, and also help your juniors also what they need to study for their next year. That is the one who has just cleared 9th standard, who is coming for 10th standard. It's your duty to inform them what is right and what if they study they will score good marks. Okay, and now this is carbon and its compounds chapter. As you can see, these are the questions which have appeared in the previous years in SSLC final board exam. The paper will be this year very simple, no need to worry. Children, please prepare properly. Still, if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it. And these are the most likely questions for this year board exam. As you can see, these are the questions. I hope the concept is interesting. Children, if you have liked this class and the video, please do not hit the like button. Okay, I hope the concept is clear for you all. And now this is the chapter periodic classification of elements, and these are the questions which has appeared in the previous year. These are the previous year questions. And student, before I could go through the next slide, I just want to tell you that we do have got branches in Tannery Road and Shivaji Nagar, Bangalore. If any students who are interested to join our regular classes, online or offline mode classes, even for the next year batch, the admissions are opened. In the below description we have given the details about our institute. You can follow us. And now these are the most likely questions for this year board exam. Children, still we are going to make still more number of videos. Okay, do not forget to watch these all videos and practice a lot these questions whatever we are uploading into our channel. Definitely the team of ESCC is always with you to help you, to make you to secure a good marks, excellent marks in the upcoming board exam. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well, keep watching to our channel regularly and update yourself, practice a lot. Wish you all the best of luck. Take care. Bye bye. And if any students want the PDF of this video, the PDF link of this video, you can just download it in the below description box. We will give you the link, we'll share the link, and also we upload this link in our Telegram channel. Thank you, take care, all the best. In the next video we are going to upload part C, biology. Thank you.